Good afternoon, everybody. I want to come on today and just play in my art journal a little bit. I have a bunch of pages that are ready for the sayings, the words, labels, whatever you want to call them. This is a scrapbook type postbound scrapbook that I'm working in that I got at the thrift store, and I have been. If I do the labels today, then tomorrow I can do some pin work because the label, putting the label on has to get dry. So I'm gonna put a bunch of the labels on and oh, excuse me. And these labels actually came in the scrapbook, and there's all kinds of fun sayings and different by different people, and I really enjoyed them, and so I thought that I would use them in this book. So these pages are ready to have my labels put on, and then I'll go on from there and do pin work and things. So, and I do that with Mod Podge. Let's put these over there. I keep my I get a big container of Mod Podge, and I keep it in this container like so. And the thing about it is that I do thin it down just a little bit. I find it comes out of the big, I think it's a half-gallon container, a little too thick. So, and I am going to use Mod Podge to put these labels on. I'm going to need a clean baby wipe to clean up after myself. And this one says, "The rainbow comes and goes, and lovely is the rose." And of course, this was an old scrapbook, I'm sure, and who knows how much heat it had been in. So these labels, I don't trust that they are going to stick. So I put them down with Mod Podge. And oh, goodness, my brush is full of water. Okay. And then once I get it down with the Mod Podge, I have been taking a credit card or some sort of plastic card. And of course I don't have a little one. Where's they all gone? This one is a really old Office Depot card. And I just kind of squeegee across it. And that way I'm sure it's down real well. And since I want to do pen work on these, and I've been using craft paint, the craft paint's kind of abrasive for your pens, so I have just been putting a thin coat of Mod Podge on them. It just makes it a little smoother for doing the pen work. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the sound off right now so that I can speed this up, because I don't want to bore you with all of that, and I will show you the saying and the page that I put it on as I go. And I'll be back towards the end and we'll walk through everything that I've done. Hi everybody. I thought I would just recap and read you the quotes that are on these. Give me just 1 second to clean this up. I know that was a little boring, but it's one of those things that I have to do this layer before I can go on to the next layer of pen work. So that just wants to not. That one didn't want to stick, so let's, okay. This one says, that it will never come again is what makes life so sweet, by Emily Dickinson. And this one says, life is like an exciting book and every year starts a new chapter. This one says, the rainbow comes and goes, and lovely is the rose, by William Wordsworth. Oh, the last one was an anonymous quote. So, and this one says, children are a staircase to paradise, and it's a Persian proverb. Now tomorrow, I hope to come back to these. I've got a couple more I was going to read, but I hope to come back to these and do the finishing touches. This one says, one generation plants the trees, another gets the shade. And then I did one last one, which says, the first and simplest emotion which we discover in the human mind is curiosity. So anyways, tomorrow I hope to come back and finish these up with some pen work, and that'll be a little bit more fun to watch. So I hope you'll come back and join me. I hope if you enjoy my videos, you'll give them a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I hope you subscribe to my channel. Now, go have fun, go make some art. Have a great day.